In a cozy village lived a shy boy named Sam. One starry night, he noticed a twinkling star singing a soft tune. Curious, Sam climbed a hill to listen closer. The star floated down, revealing a tiny glowing bird. "I'm Stella, the singing star," it chirped. "I need help finding my lost songbook." Sam agreed to help. With Stella's light, they searched the forest. They met a sleepy owl who pointed to a sparkling tree. Inside, they found the songbook, guarded by a playful fox. Sam shared his lunch, and the fox handed over the book. Stella sang, filling the forest with music. Flowers bloomed and animals danced. Grateful, Stella gave Sam a feather that glowed when he hummed. "Use it to spread joy," she said. Sam returned home, humming tunes that made everyone smile. The village became a happy place, and every night Sam and Stella sang together under the stars. The end.